Hey, you. Yeah, you. There are so many internal and external noises that vie for your attention. From your thoughts, a lot of times the thoughts in the mind stem from past concerns, worries, or future anxieties, things that haven't even happened yet. All these things fill the mind with noise. And external, we're filled with so much noise from media outlets, advertising, just bombarded by all of this external and internal noise. So, what can you do about it? All of this noise is an invitation for you to be still, to sit in your being and just be. Allow yourself to be in the moment, turn the noise off, scroll past the noise, turn off the remote, and delete emails that are not pertinent to you and your well-being. Stay safe, be sovereign, and know that you are loved.